Stuck trying to find your Cloudflare account ID? It's hidden in plain sight. Watch this. I'll show you exactly where in 60 seconds. First, log into your Cloudflare account. Then I'll walk you through the 2 clicks to find and copy your ID. All right, so let's start by opening up your Cloudflare dashboard. You'll want to head over to cloudflare.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main overview page with all your domains listed. This is the home base for everything we're about to do. So now that we're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Click on the domain you want to work with. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Your account ID is tied to your entire Cloudflare account, not just that one domain. So just choose the website or project you're currently setting up. I'm going to click on mine here. Now, here's where people usually get lost. Once you're on that domain's overview page, go ahead and scroll down. I know it feels like your account ID should be somewhere up top with all the other settings, but it's actually a little further down the page. So keep scrolling until you see a section on the right-hand side that looks different from the rest of the dashboard layout. And there it is. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a box or a panel labeled Account ID. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and it's unique to your account. This is exactly what you need for those third-party integrations or API access. And here's the really important part. Make sure you're looking at the right side of the page, not the left. A lot of people glance over it because they're expecting it to be somewhere else, but it's right there in plain sight. Now, the last step is the easiest one. Next to your account ID, you'll see a small copy icon. It usually looks like 2 overlapping squares or a clipboard symbol. Just click on that, and your account ID is instantly copied to your clipboard. No need to highlight it or try to type it out yourself. That's it. So from hunting around the dashboard to having your account ID copied in under a minute, you can now paste it into whatever service or tool you're setting up. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.